Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a wireless mouse to your Xbox Series S. It's important to know that your Xbox console does not natively support Bluetooth mice directly. Instead, you'll need a mouse that uses a USB wireless dongle or a standard wired USB mouse for compatibility. This ensures a stable and responsive connection for your gaming experience. The Xbox Series S utilizes a specific wireless protocol, distinct from general Bluetooth, to ensure optimal performance. This design choice helps minimize input lag, which is crucial for gaming. Therefore, most wireless mice compatible with Xbox consoles connect using a dedicated 2.4 GHz USB dongle, not through the console's internal Bluetooth capabilities. Connecting a compatible wireless mouse is quite simple. First, locate the small USB dongle that came with your wireless mouse. Plug this dongle into any of the 3 available USB ports on your Xbox Series S, either on the front or back. Make sure your mouse has working batteries and is switched on. The console should then automatically recognize and establish a connection with your mouse. Once connected, you can customize your mouse settings. Press the Xbox button on your controller, navigate to Profile and System, then Settings, and finally Devices and Connections to find the mouse options. Here, you can adjust the pointer speed and even swap the primary and secondary mouse buttons. Remember, mouse support is available in the console menus and many compatible games.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.